Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Just wanted to share with you a couple of new digital kits that I have. And I have to say I really like this Dragonfly one. It is called Dragonfly Tales. It is 21 pages long. 14 pages and then a bunch of ephemera pages and whatnot, but there is page number 1. I love the colors and stuff. And on the back I have printed a tea-dyed paper that I just put in the shop as well. So I thought it was a good chance to show both at the same time. And I really like this tea-dyed paper set that I've done up. Love, 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 love this page. There are the dragonflies. And on the back is, again, the tea-dyed. This tea-dyed kit has 10 pages. A few of the pages I think I've used twice in the backing of this kit. And there is this beautiful blue page with purplish and pinkish lilacs. And the back tea-dyed. And another page. This is page number 4. And the back. This one here should be this away. Lots of blues and greens, purples, pinks. And there. Love this one too. And a lot of these could go either way. So, because dragonflies do kind of fly upside down, backwards. So there's that one and the back of that one. Then there is a lined page, and I just put a row of dragonflies at the top and the bottom. Here's the back. And then there's a few pages that aren't quite as busy as the other ones. And they're very similar pages, just not quite as busy. So these ones you could write on if you wanted. So there is, I think there was 6 busy pages, 6 that weren't so busy, and then a couple backing pages. So there is that one there, the back. This one's got kind of a little purple pinkish tinge to the back with purple dragonflies down the sides. And kind of just a plain neutral page. And then I included 2 tea-dyed papers in this kit, which this is one of them, with the tea-dyed kit backing it. And there is the second neutral page in that dragonfly kit. So, and then we have the ephemera and whatnot. So there is some postcards and a saying and whatnot. And these all match the pages very, very well. There's 4 more postcards. Then we have a big pocket and just some odds and ends of little goodies, tickets and whatnot. And then an envelope and just some embellishments. Another envelope and a few other goodies. Another envelope with one of the journal checks. I get altered guest check, which I've put journal check and stuff there. Something a little different. And then there is another pocket and just a couple odds and ends of things on there just to fill up the page. Then I did a Dyed Grunge Set. These are quite a bit darker than the other ones. Let's just, so you can see the difference on how much grungier they are than the regular tea-dyed papers that I just did up. So there is one page there. This has 8 pages to it. This one here is quite grungy. They all are quite grungy. I kind of did the 2 because I wanted to, some people don't like them quite as grungy. So if you're doing a grungy journal, this would be perfect. And as I say, there's 8 pages in this one. And there's page number 8 for that. And then I've also got this little Valentine love style digital kit. It's 3 pages and it's all hearts. It's sort of Valentine, but there's nothing that actually says Happy Valentine's or whatever on it. They're just heart things. So you could use it for like a romance journal, a love journal, Valentine's, etc. But they are really cute, and I just filled in some spots with just little hearts just to avoid too big of an empty spot. So I hope you like these 3 kits. They all, actually 4 kits, because there is the Dragonfly Tales, the Grunge tea-dyed paper, regular tea-dyed paper, and the hearts. Enjoy, check out the shop. I'll leave some links below, and we will see you soon. Bye.